Hi, I'm Alena Buelo. I'm from Philippines, and I am here to tell you that the fake reporters, the FBI is lying to you about Apostle, and they don't want you to know the truth. I am here to stand Apostle and tell you the truth, how much I become blessed because I belong to many people that receive a help, a kindness from Apostle. He had so much compassion to Jesus, to the Lord, to love God and love the people in America and to all the people around the nation. And and not only Apostle is praying with me to so many people. Apostle is not only is praying for you and to many people around nation. He also sending a finances, a money. He want to make sure that he help me, help many people that needs food, drink, whatever we need. He had so much compassion to love the people of God, to help the poor, to pray the sick. And I know that the reporters is lying in the news. They spreading so much lie, and the FBI is so wicked. And I remember the President of America, President Donald Trump, he also experienced this attack. The FBI raided his mansion. And I also remember many fake reporters in America spreading lies and coming against to President Donald Trump's. And now they did this to Apostle and the pastors in America. And and it's very obvious that the many fake reporters is spreading lies. It's very obvious that they did not tell you the truth. Even the FBI, they did not tell you the truth. Always spreading lies and no evidence 100%. They had no evidence 100%. They only is telling a bad to Apostle. And it's very obvious that they're lying on the TV, They spreading wrong with Apostle. I can say that the fake reporters and FBI is lying to you using a television because they did not give a chance to, ask, talk the stuff of Apostle, if it's really true, the accusation, if it's really true that Apostle is abusing them or treating them bad. No, the FBI and reporters, they did not give them a interview, They only want you to know is lie, and that's so wicked. And if they did not repent, God will gonna get them. Reporters, the fake reporters in America and FBI need to repent now because of what Apostle is serving God. Apostle is serving the only one God, the creator of heaven and earth. And they didn't know what they're doing. They're spreading quickly the lies against Apostle. And these reporters, fake reporters in America, and this FBI wicked that get Apostle and the pastors there, they didn't know what God will gonna do them, because Apostle is really serving God. You have no idea how powerful God is. He is the God that creates the heaven and earth. They need to repent before it's too late. They need to repent now before it's too late. How dare them to touch the man of God? How dare them to come against the servant of God? If they did not repent now, they will see the full wrath of God later. That's a 100% sure. Later, the world will gonna see it. What God will gonna do to the fake reporters, to all the wicked FBI in America. They do that to President Donald Trump. They raid the mansion of Donald Trump, and these fake reporters, they spreading lies in the news against Donald Trump. And now they do this to Apostle. And God will gonna judge them if they did not repent now.